The Diamondback E. This was the introductory press, had some different features to it. They've gone ahead and upgraded it to now make it one of the best introductory presses in the market. Let's take a look at some of these features. One of the key new features is the new side frame holders. This is made of extruded aluminum. Previously it was bent metal. As we can see, it is very thick and is going to help make sure we've got a rigid point to hold our screen and not allow for any movement in registration. The next key feature I'd like to point out is the built-in LED lights. So on every print head we can see underneath there is a strip of LEDs helping make sure registration is easy and accurate. We can turn it off and turn it on with that simple button. Another key feature to the M&R Diamondback E is the Centralized Off Contact. To change this, all I have to do is come down here and swivel this up, and I can pull this bar to the new notch. Each notch represents a 1/16 of an inch difference, making sure you've got the proper off contact regardless of what type of garment you're printing on. Another key feature to the Diamondback E is the ability to change rotation. Depending how you lay your shop out or where you want your load or unload station to be, you may want to change the rotation. It's as easy as a click of a button. Come right here to our servo data and we can click rotation and we're set. The next key feature I'd like to go over is the Servo Indexer. Having the Servo Indexer is going to help make sure that every time the platen moves to the next screen, it's in the exact position to hold perfect registration. Another key feature, it's a very important one on the Diamondback E, is it comes standard with the Revolver Program. What that means is that if you only have one flash or need more space for cooling down, you can send the index around multiple times to hit multiple stages. So you could print, flash, print, 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 send it around, flash again, and finish the line. So you never have to worry about not having enough space for that extra flash you may need for your job. To get to Revolver Mode, you're going to go back to your main menu and you're going to find Revolver Mode. We click there and now you're in the settings. To learn more about how to use Revolver Mode, check out the video link below. Another great key feature on the Diamondback E is the Park feature. Right here on the main screen, if I click Park, what happens is both the chopper cylinders lift up, making it easier to access my squeegee or my flood bar. When I'm done, I go back to the main screen and put it back down and I'm ready to run.
Okay.
Another key feature to the Diamondback E is the quick ability to change your angle on your squeegee and flood bar. All we have to do is loosen these kip knobs on both sides and now we can shift the angle to be whatever we would like it to be for the best print. When it's set, lock it up, you're good to go. The last key feature I'd like to point out are the AC print heads. This was standard on all the higher end M&R presses, now comes on to the DBE, the Diamondback E. This is going to be for a perfect print stroke. You're not going to have any stuttering if there's any dry spots on your screen. The previous models that were air driven, you'd sometimes have some jitters as you'd go through. With an AC print head, you're going to have a clean print every time. Another great feature on the Diamondback E, aside from what we already currently have on all of our M&R presses, which is flow control for your squeegee flood bar as well as locks your squeegee and flood bar, is the air regulator on each head. We can quickly adjust the amount of pressure going through by easily tapping the buttons and making any adjustment we might need right there, and then we're good to go.